Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget review. Today we are going to tackle a very common problem. Yes, if your laptop or PC keyboard suddenly stops working, so don't worry, I have got you covered with 2 to 3 simple methods to fix this issue right at home. So let's jump straight into it. So firstly, if you're new here to our channel, please do subscribe to TechnoWaves channel and hit that bell icon. First things, sometimes this issue isn't technical at all, so you need to do some basics things. First, check if any dust or dirt or small particles are stuck under the keys and gently clean with a soft brush or compressed air. So if you're using a USB keyboard, so unplug and plug it back in. So or try another USB port. And for wireless keyboards, if you are using this one, then replace the batteries or check if the receiver is properly connected. So sometimes guys, the simplest step is the smartest fix. The method 2 is restart and driver check. If cleaning didn't help, the next suspect is your keyboard driver. Yes, so first of all, you need to restart your computer or laptop. First restart. Yes, after restarting, here you can see many temporary glitches vanish with a reboot. So if it doesn't work, right click on the start menu, so, or just you can search for device manager, open it up, then you can find here keyboard, right click, then go to standard PC2 keyboard, right click and update the driver. Yes, search automatically for drivers. Here you can see the best drivers for your device are already installed. So it is already installed. If it is already installed and it's still not working means go back to keyboard and go and expand it. Right click and you can see uninstall device. So here are about to uninstall the device from your system. Don't worry, if you uninstall, the Windows 11 will install it automatically back to your system. So it will be reinstalled and it will be refreshed. After uninstalling, go and restart your PC or computer again. So your Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Yes. So now you can check your keyboard is working or not. Yeah, so it's working. So guys, still it is not working if you urgently need to type but the built-in keyboard isn't working. So here's the quick and simple method is there. Go to settings, now go to accessibility. Now here find the keyboard, here you can see, then scroll down, you will see an on-screen keyboard, turn it on. So now you can see here you can type by using and mouse to type until you fix the hardware. So alternatively you can connect an external USB or wireless keyboard also to continue working without interruption. But this method is like for urgency, but it is not permanent. So these were three simple yet effective methods to fix a non-working laptop or PC keyboard. If none of these work, it might be a hardware issue. So in that case, you should visit a service center. So that's it guys. Did these methods help you out? Drop your experience in the comments below and let me know which methods work for you. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoViz channel for more such troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.